Koy. I am Lagdalia Nidu Sara. I am here to present the task that was assigned to me. It's all about the 5 types of analysis. There are 5 cases of analysis, which is the requirement analysis, functional analysis, process analysis, data analysis, and feasibility analysis. So first is the requirement analysis. In this step, it defines what the systems must do those needs. So for example, in a scholarship system, this would involve understanding what information students and administrator needs to cruise the interact with. Second is the process analysis. It aims to identify inefficient and areas for improvement in the system's workflow. So in the scholarship system, example, this could involve to analyze the current manual application review process. This is the functional analysis. In this stage, that identifies the specific functions or tasks that should perform for a scholarship system. So this might define into the system through like the application. Next is the feasibility analysis. For the scholarship system, you would be involved to determining if the technology is available. If the budget is sufficient, then the system can be implemented the given time frame. The types of post-implementation of analysis. So this evaluates the system's outcomes. If the pressure, the impact of the system that justifies the right involved tracking the number of students that help to efficiency gains in the overall exam. Then second is the scholarship context. This would involve tracking requirement for other financial aspects that related to the scholarship program. It helps to prevent the failure and enhances security system. So this right involves to identifying risks like data breaches, system failures, and the inaccurate data. Then next is to identify what the information student need to submit.
Thank you for the moments.